Computer hardware refers to the physical components of a computer system. These components work together to process, store, and display information. Understanding computer hardware is crucial for anyone who uses computers. It allows you to make informed decisions about purchasing, troubleshooting, and upgrading your devices. Imagine a computer as a bustling city. Data flows through its intricate network of components, each playing a vital role. At the heart of this city lies the central processing unit, the brain of the operation. Just as a city relies on various services, computers need input and output devices. Input units, such as keyboards and mice, allow us to communicate with the computer. Output units, like monitors and printers, present the processed information to us. The CPU is the most important part of a computer. It executes instructions from software programs. The CPU has two main components, the control unit and the arithmetic logic unit. The control unit fetches instructions from memory and decodes them. It then directs other components to execute these instructions. The ALU performs arithmetic and logical operations on data. This includes addition, subtraction, comparison, and logical operations like AND, OR, and NOT. The CPU's speed and efficiency determine how quickly a computer can process information. A faster CPU means smoother multitasking, faster application loading, and improved overall performance. Input units allow us to enter data and instructions into the computer. These devices convert our input into a format that the computer can understand. Common input devices include keyboards, mice, scanners, and microphones. Keyboards allow us to type text and commands. Mice enable us to control the cursor and interact with graphical elements. Scanners convert physical documents into digital images. Microphones capture audio input, which can be used for voice recognition, video conferencing, or recording sound. Input devices bridge the gap between the physical and digital worlds, allowing us to interact with computers and provide them with the information they need to perform tasks. Output units display the processed information from the computer in a human-readable format. These devices receive data from the computer and convert it into a form we can understand. The most common output device is the monitor, which displays text, images, and videos. Printers produce hard copies of documents and images. Speakers produce audio output, allowing us to hear music, sound effects, and voice communication. Output devices complete the computing cycle by presenting the results of the computer's processing in a meaningful way. Section 5. Memory. The computer's recollection. Memory is essential for storing data and instructions that the CPU needs to access quickly. There are two main types of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory, also known as RAM, is volatile memory that stores data and instructions currently being used by the CPU. It is fast and allows for quick access, but its contents are lost when the computer is powered off. Secondary memory, such as hard disk drives and solid-state drives, provides long-term storage for data and programs. It is non-volatile, meaning that data is retained even when the computer is turned off. Secondary memory is slower than primary memory, but offers much larger storage capacity. Section 6. Powering up. The role of the PSU. The power supply unit, or PSU, is a critical component that provides power to all the other hardware components in a computer system. It converts the AC power from the wall outlet into the DC power that computer components require. The PSU's capacity, measured in watts, determines how much power it can supply to the system. A higher wattage PSU is necessary for systems with more power-hungry components, such as high-end CPUs and GPUs. A reliable PSU is essential for the stable operation of a computer system. Section 7. Graphics Powerhouse GPU. The Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU, is a specialized electronic circuit designed to rapidly manipulate and alter memory to accelerate the creation of images in a frame buffer intended for output to a display device. GPUs are used in embedded systems, mobile phones, personal computers, workstations, and game consoles. Modern GPUs are very efficient at manipulating computer graphics and image processing. Their highly parallel structure makes them more effective than general-purpose CPUs for algorithms where processing large blocks of data is done in parallel. In a personal computer, A GPU may be present on a video card, or it may be embedded on the motherboard, or, in the case of CPUs with integrated graphics processing units, on the same die as the CPU. Section 8. Keeping cool cooling systems. Cooling systems are crucial for maintaining optimal operating temperatures for computer components, especially the CPU and GPU. Overheating can lead to performance degradation, system instability, and even permanent hardware damage. Air cooling is the most common method, using heat sinks and fans to dissipate heat away from components. Liquid cooling systems use a liquid coolant to transfer heat away from components, offering more efficient cooling for high-performance systems. Proper cooling is essential for ensuring the longevity and reliability of computer hardware. Section 9. Conclusion: a foundation in hardware. Understanding computer hardware is essential for anyone who uses computers, from the CPU, the brain of the system, to the GPU, the graphics powerhouse. Each component plays a vital role in the computer's operation. Input and output devices allow us to interact with the computer, while memory stores data and instructions. The PSU provides power to all components, and cooling systems prevent overheating. By grasping the functions and importance of these components, users can make informed decisions about purchasing, troubleshooting, and upgrading their devices. As technology advances, we can expect to see continued innovation in computer hardware, leading to faster, more powerful, and more efficient computing experiences.